How to fix some keys not working on laptop keyboard, Windows 10 11. Step-by-step guide. 1. Restart your laptop. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches. 2. Check for dirt and debris. Gently clean your keyboard using compressed air or a soft brush. Try pressing the stuck or unresponsive keys several times. 3. Try an external keyboard. Plug in a USB or Bluetooth keyboard to check if the issue is hardware related. 4. Update keyboard drivers. Press Win+X Device Manager. Expand keyboards, right-click your keyboard update driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. 5. Uninstall reinstall keyboard. In Device Manager, right-click on your keyboard uninstall device. Restart your PC, Windows will reinstall the drivers automatically. Check keyboard settings. Go to Settings, Time Language Typing, Advanced Keyboard Settings. Ensure correct input method and language are selected. 7. Use on-screen keyboard, temporary fix. Press Win plus Ctrl plus O to turn it on. Or go to Settings, Ease of Access keyboard. 8. Run keyboard troubleshooter. Go to Settings, Update Security Troubleshoot Additional troubleshooters. Run the keyboard troubleshooter. 9. Check for Windows updates. Sometimes updates fix driver or compatibility issues. Go to Settings, Update Security Windows Update. 10. BIOS UEFI check optional. Restart PC and enter BIOS UEFI, usually by pressing F2, F10 or D. If keys don't work in BIOS, it's likely a hardware issue. Disable filter keys. Sometimes filter keys block repeated keystrokes and can disable some keys. Go to Settings, Ease of Access keyboard. Turn filter keys off. 12. Check language input conflicts. Wrong language settings can cause key mismatches. Go to Settings, Time Language. Ensure the correct language, like English US, is set as default. Click on it. Options. Ensure keyboard layout is correct. 13. Reset keyboard layout. Open command prompt as administrator. Run this command. Bash. Copy. Edit. ASFC scan no. This will scan and fix corrupted system files. 14. Perform a clean boot. Conflicting software or drivers can cause keyboard issues. Press Win plus R, type MSC config, press enter. Go to Services tab, check hide all Microsoft services, click disable all. Go to Startup tab, open Task Manager, disable all startup apps. Restart your PC. 15. Check for malware or viruses. Some malware may block keyboard inputs. Run a full scan using Windows Defender or a trusted antivirus like Malwarebytes. 16. Try safe mode. If the keyboard works in safe mode, a background app or driver is causing the issue. Go to Settings, Recovery, Advanced, Startup, Restart now. Select Troubleshoot, Advanced options, Startup settings, Restart. Choose Safe mode with networking.